What happens if someone accidentally puts gasoline into a diesel engine? It sounds like a small mistake, right? Just fuel is fuel, but no. That one mix-up can cause serious engine damage. Whether you're driving a car, running a generator, or working on heavy equipment, this is one problem you do not want to ignore. So, let's break it down step by step. Although diesel and gasoline are both fuels, they behave very differently inside an engine. Diesel engines rely on compression ignition. The air inside the cylinder is compressed to such a high pressure and temperature that when diesel fuel is injected, it automatically ignites. Gasoline engines, on the other hand, use spark ignition. The air-fuel mixture is compressed to a much lower level and then ignited by a spark plug. This fundamental difference in how the fuel burns is what sets diesel and gasoline engines apart in design, efficiency, and performance. So if gasoline is mixed into diesel and burned in a diesel engine, the gasoline ignites too early. That sudden combustion increases temperature and pressure inside the cylinder, which can seriously damage injectors, glow plugs, pistons, valves, and even the head gasket. Basically, what should be a smooth burn turns into a violent explosion, and that's something no diesel engine is designed to handle. Now, if you ever suspect that your diesel fuel has been contaminated with gasoline, there are a few quick and reliable ways to confirm it before any damage is done. Let's go through them one by one. Step 1. Start with the smell test. This is the simplest and fastest method. Open your fuel filler cap and take a careful sniff. Pure diesel has a heavy, oily, slightly sweet smell, almost like kerosene. Gasoline, on the other hand, has a sharp, solvent-like odor and evaporates much more quickly. So, if your diesel fuel smells more like gasoline, stop right there. Do not start the engine. Running the engine will circulate the mixed fuel and can cause serious damage. Instead, drain the tank completely and refill it with clean diesel before starting the vehicle again. Step 2. Check the specific gravity. If you're unsure based on smell alone, the next step is to test the specific gravity or density using a hydrometer. Here's how it works. Diesel fuel usually measures between 0.82 to 0.95 on the specific gravity scale. A common value is around 0.84. Gasoline is lighter, typically between 0.68 to 0.77. A common reference value is 0.75. So, if your reading comes out lower than normal diesel levels, that's a clear sign that gasoline has been mixed in. Even a small percentage of gasoline can reduce the fuel's density and make it far more dangerous to your engine. Mixing gasoline with diesel might seem like a small mistake, but it's one that can lead to expensive engine repairs and downtime. The good news? It's easy to detect and prevent if you know what to look for. Smell, density, and feel are your first lines of defenses. The next time you refuel, take an extra second to check, because catching contamination early can save your entire engine. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos on engines, mechanics, and manufacturing systems.